Introduction. Physical forms of catalogues refer to printed or tangible materials that contain organized information about the products, services, or resources. These catalogues can take various forms depending on their purpose, target audience, and distribution channels. Some of the common physical forms of catalogues. Printed catalogues are perhaps the most traditional form. They are physical booklets or pamphlets containing descriptions, specifications, and often images of products or services offered by a company or organization. Printed catalogs are usually distributed through mail, in-store distribution, or at events. Brochures. Brochures are compact, folded documents that provide summarized information about a company's offerings. They are smaller in size compared to catalogs and often focus on specific products, services, or promotional offers. Brochures are commonly used in trade shows, conferences, and direct mail campaigns. Magazine inserts. Some companies or retailers include catalogs or product inserts within magazines or newspapers. These inserts allow companies to reach a wider audience and target specific demographics based on the publication's readership. Product binders. In industrial or business to business settings, product binders are common. These are large ring bound folders containing detailed information about a company's products, specifications, pricing, and terms. Product binders are often used by sales representatives or distributed to clients during meetings or presentations. Catalog stands. Catalog stands are physical displays typically found in retail stores, trade shows, or public spaces. They hold catalogs or brochures for customers to browse and take home. Catalog stands are often used to promote products or services and provide customers with easy access to information. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and don't miss to press bell icon.